Hi, this is Chef Eric Anderson from David's Soundview Catering in Stamford, Connecticut, overlooking Long Island Sound. Today, we're going to be making a seafood potato salad. To make this salad, I've steamed off some fingerling potatoes. I have some herb-crusted seared tuna, some calamari, crab meat, a little bit of red onion, white balsamic vinegar, lemon juice, and fresh tarragon. I've taken a small piece of tuna, crusted it with tarragon and fresh chives, and pan-seared it on both sides just for about 1 minute over high heat. I'm going to slice it, and this is going to be tossed in the seafood salad. Maybe take it down to some smaller bite-sized pieces. So we'll add potatoes to our mixing bowl. And a lot of times with these salads, I like to steam the potatoes, let them cool for 15 minutes, and then toss the ingredients, especially something like seafood, while the potatoes are still warm or just room temperature. The warmth of the potatoes and a warmer temperature overall of the salad just makes the flavors pop a little bit more, and it's just a little bit more of a richer dish rather than coming straight from a refrigerator. So we'll add some of our seafood. This is the pan-seared tuna, some blanched calamari, some crab meat, just a little bit of red onion, fresh tarragon, some olive oil, lemon juice, and a little bit of white balsamic. Just a pinch of salt and pepper. And you can see the olive oil is coating this nicely. A little bit of white balsamic vinegar picks up really well with the seafood, as does the lemon juice. Lemon juice is really key. So now we'll just bowl this up. These fingerling potatoes are so good with a salad like this. They're really great. They taste good. They have a nice sweetness to them. Fresh chives on top. And that's the seafood potato salad. This is Chef Eric Anderson, Executive Chef at David's Soundview Catering in Stamford, Connecticut, overlooking Long Island Sound. Enjoy.